Hi, I'm David for AndroidPIT, and today we finally had our hands on with the new Google smartphone, the Pixel 3. This has been one of the most leaked smartphones in history, but if you're looking for a compact flagship, the Pixel 3 could be the one. At first glance, the Pixel 3 looks like a shrunken down Pixel 2 XL. The edges around the 5.5-inch display are smaller, but there's still room for front-facing stereo speakers. The back is now made entirely of Gorilla Glass, but still retains the iconic separation between the upper quarter and the rest of the back of the panel. There's also a new matte finish on the back. The Pixel 3 is well manufactured, and it's a joy to be able to operate the smartphone flawlessly with one hand. The display has a Full HD Plus resolution and looks pleasantly neutral despite the notoriously colourful OLED technology. The display also supports HDR and the DCI P3 colour space that's used in cinemas. As was the case with the Pixel 2, the Pixel 3 comes with a special feature known as Active Edge. Using a squeezing gesture on the edges of your smartphone activates Google Assistant. You still can't customise the feature to activate other apps though. The operating system is Android 9 Pie, and we weren't able to notice any changes on Pie between this and the Pixel 2 XL. Snapdragon 845 takes care of performance, and in combination with the purest of pure Android software, it provides for lightning fast reactions. The memory, however, could be a bit better with only 4GB of RAM. There's 64 or 128GB of flash memory, but without an SD slot for expansion. This isn't great for a smartphone in 2018. However, Pixel buyers will get 3 years of unlimited cloud storage from Google for photos and videos. The lone main camera lens is also reminiscent of 2017 with another 12.2 megapixel sensor on the back. Above the notchless display, there's a double camera with two 8 megapixel lenses. Each has a different focal length for wide angle selfies. Every time you press the shutter button, the Pixel 3 will shoot a whole batch of photos and a video clip, which are then blended together using AI software for an optimal result. New features include an extended smile angle trigger, an intelligent zoom, a tracking autofocus, and a feature that automatically selects the best moment from a series of images to improve shots where someone is blinking or out of focus. And what else? The 2950 mAh battery supports wireless charging, and instead of a headphone jack, there's a USB-C adapter in the box. Google also seems to be installing quite powerful speakers above and below the display. The Pixel 3 starts at $799 for the 64GB version, and the 128GB one will cost you $899. For colour options, you can choose from clearly white, just black, and the new not pink colour variant. The Pixel 3 is starting to look a lot more modern than its predecessor, the Pixel 2. We'll have to wait for our full review to see how it performs in our tests. What do you think of the Pixel 3? Let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, leave us a thumbs up, stay tuned for the full review, and subscribe to our channel.